Remember this fourth thing. Start small, practice daily, don't fear mistakes, and stay positive. Hello everyone, welcome back to my English learning YouTube channel. So today in this video I will tell you how to remove fear of English. Many of my friends says, "Dear brother, I can understand English, but I can't speak. I feel afraid. What should I do now?" So dear friends, don't worry, after watching this video, your fear will go away. So here are only 4 tips to remove your fearness of English. So keep watching till the end. The first one, start small. Don't try to big sentence. Start with short one. For example, instead of saying, "I'm going to school with of my friends names Rofik, Shofik, Lota, etc." Just say, "I'm going to school." Don't say, "I'm going to market to buy some vegetable and daily commodities." Just say, "I'm going to market." This small practice kills your fear. Tip number 2. Practice every day. If you have friends, you can practice your English with them. Or if you don't have friends, just talk with yourself. For example, you can say, "I'm brushing my teeth. I'm eating rice. I'm taking tea. I'm taking rest. I'm taking my shower." This sentence literally remove your fear gradually. Tip number 3. Don't fear mistakes. Always remember, mistakes are the parts of learning something. When a baby tries to walk, it fails many times, but finally the baby walks. So dear friends, when you make mistakes in English, that means you are learning. So keep speaking although you are making mistakes. Tip number 4, positive mindset. Say to yourself, "I can speak English." Repeat this every day. Positive thinking makes your confidence stronger. So dear friends, remember this fourth thing. Start small, practice daily, don't fear mistakes, and stay positive. If you follow them, you will overcome your fear of English. So dear friends, if you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.